everyone. Namo Buddhaya, Jai Bhim. I'm Vidya Vardhani and I'm working in a project called Triratna Youth India Project. And basically I work for young people. And today I'm very happy to um, say a few things about Dr. Ambedkar. And the line is like what Dr. Ambedkar means to me personally. And I think personally, and yeah, so personally I'm very much affected through his work, because he done for humanity, which affect me also as a human being, and especially as a woman. It means a lot to me. uh, I just want to share some of my experiences, then and then maybe it linked with what he did for each and individual Indians. So when I was in my teenage, even from childhood, as a girl, I feel started discrimination in my house, in my society, and uh, I was like dreaming a world, a society where everyone is equal and women has also equal opportunity to uh, do whatever they want and explore our capabilities. So I was dreaming and I thought when I will be elder, I will try to live in that type of world. But I was not very sure is that world is exist in this so-called what we live in the society. But I was dreaming. So anyway, when I was grown up and I did my education, at that time also the discrimination and all that um, negative things or not very appropriate atmosphere for the woman, when I was facing those things, at that time I realized I think education is the best thing for any girl or woman. If we are educated, then might be some of the things will help us to survive or be in a part of society. So I try to do my best in my graduation and post graduation time, and then um, I did my master in social work. uh, and then when I was working in the society, especially in the NGO, and I work with prisoners also. At that time, when I see all the violence happening in the society, I feel that what I could do uh, to stop this violence, or to make a little bit like more uh, appropriate atmosphere. So I was trying to do my best, but I was feeling very helpless because it's very limited things to do. So anyway, I'm sharing all these stories because there was a link uh, with my story. So uh, till that, I was not very much aware that some wait a minute. Yeah. So uh, when I was aware about some of the leaders that they contribute for the Indian peoples, they fight for the freedom and all that, I was not very much aware that any individual person can do lots of things for human beings. So I was not believing in that way also, but when I came across to TBMSG, where everybody was uh, practicing Buddhism, I can't say that TBMSG or our Sangha is very ideal, but I'm very confident and sure that this is the one of the good place where we can practice and live whatever we believe. And from this time, I make my connection or the Dr. Ambedkar's contribution, what he did, I was getting interacted with that personality, and then I was becoming aware what he did for uh, women and all human beings. So personally, Dr. Ambedkar did for the human beings, and from Dr. Ambedkar, I learned to think beyond I, and the capacity of human capacity. So it's not like women and men. It's like every human being has whole capacity to nourish and develop. So these are my some of the like personal examples where I was being affected with him, with his contribution. And when I interact with TBMSG, then the Triratna Bodha Mahasan people, we all follow Dr. Ambedkar's vision, what he believed that every human being is equal to others. So we are trying to like follow his dream, and that's why I was attracted with TBMSG, and uh, I'm whatever I dreamed that society. I think I'm living in that, and I already said that this is not perfect society or organization, but still we are trying to live that society. And there are space where if I don't feel or I don't agree with some of the things, I can express, and people are open to listen and explore the things. So, and the connection with the Bhante, because Bhante realized the vision of Dr. Ambedkar, which is the like the basic thing of humanity or Buddhism. And then the Bhante started doing work in India. And I think through this way, we all are affected, and my life is also very much changed. And I think through all this experience, I can proudly say that he did a lot to every human being, especially to the Indian communities. Yeah.